you're a photography artist. You have a background that you'd like to share with?
Yes, yes. So I'm Baptiste. I do photography since maybe 10 years ago. I'm from Paris, and I study in a school in Dijon, Lyon, and Paris. And I choose photography when I'm in the middle of my art cursus in Beaux-Arts school. And I always try to put the photography in the limits of the old medium. And I try to do something new with our technique. I try to mix old and new technique together. I try to say different things with old method. And today I show here 3 series that I call the Screen Trilogy, because these 3 works talk about our rapport with screen technology. So the first is Blue Screen of Death, the title of the show, the title of the series here. And this is a series of photogramme. So photogramme is one of the first gesture